Sarah, can I ask you something honestly?
Sure, but I might not explain it well.
That's exactly why I want to talk to you.
I already feel nervous.
Relax. This is a safe space.
That's what I struggle with, feeling safe while speaking English.
What makes you feel nervous when you speak English?
I feel people will judge my grammar.
Do they actually say anything?
Not always, but I imagine it.
That imagination kills confidence.
I know, but I can't stop it.
When did this fear start?
Probably in school.
Teachers correcting you in front of others?
Yes, that embarrassed me a lot.
That experience stayed with you.
Exactly.
But school English and real English are different.
I know, but my mind freezes.
What happens when you freeze?
I forget simple words.
Even words you already know?
Yes, very basic ones.
That's anxiety, not lack of knowledge.
That makes sense.
Do you practice speaking daily?
I mostly listen, not speak.
Confidence comes from speaking, not listening only.
I'm afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes are proof you're trying.
But people laugh sometimes.
The right people don't.
Still, it hurts.
I understand.
Sometimes my voice becomes low.
That's body language reacting to fear.
So even my body is scared?
Yes, confidence is physical too.
What should I do then?
Start speaking slowly.
Slowly?
Yes, speed creates pressure.
I always rush my sentences.
Slow speech sounds confident.
I never thought of that.
Also, stop translating in your head.
That's hard.
Use simple sentences.
Like what?
I think this is good.
That sounds easy.
Confidence is simplicity.
I try to sound perfect.
Perfection kills fluency.
That's true.
Have you noticed confident speakers?
Yes, they don't use difficult words.
Exactly.
They speak naturally.
That's real English.
I want that confidence.
You already have it.
I don't feel it.
Confidence grows after action.
Not before?
Never before.
So I should speak even if I'm scared?
Especially then.
That sounds scary.
Growth always is.
What if I make mistakes?
Smile and continue.
Just smile?
Yes, it relaxes your brain.
I usually panic.
Replace panic with pause.
Pause instead of panic.
Exactly.
I like that.
Also, stop comparing yourself.
I compare a lot.
Everyone's journey is different.
True.
Speak for communication, not correction.
That changes my mindset.
English is a tool, not a test.
That line hit me.
Remember it.
I already feel lighter.
That's confidence waking up.
I think I can speak now.
Go ahead, say something.
I am learning, and it's okay to be slow.
Perfect.
That felt good.
Keep doing this daily.
I will.
Confidence will follow.
Thank you for understanding.
You're stronger than you think.